Marvel CI Waterproof Solutions. Go ahead, dive in. M Waterproof Battery and Active Lifestyle Kit. The Active Lifestyle Kit for NIDA CI Marvel and Sky CI Marvel includes the M Waterproof Battery Case, the Waterproof Battery Clip, the slim headpiece AquaMic with color caps, an armband, and a USB cable charger. The M Waterproof battery is rechargeable. It can be worn off-ear all day, and it is small and lightweight. It keeps the Marvel CI safe from water, sweat, dust, dirt, and sand, making it ideal for swimming and active environments. AB gives you secure, worry-free wearing, protecting your valuable equipment for total peace of mind. Marvel CI. Connect with the moments you love.